South Carolina's Stand Your Ground law brought into the spotlight by this recent high-profile case, the death of Scott Spivey. Happened in 2023 in Longs, where, according to 911 calls, Weldon Boyd said Scott Spivey shot at him from his car. Reports say Boyd followed Spivey for miles until Boyd told a 911 dispatcher that they were stopping and about to have a shootout. Spivey died, and while his family is pushing for charges against Boyd, last week the state attorney general's office said the Stand Your Ground law applied in this case. The lines can get blurry when it comes to stand your ground, and it really depends on each situation. And that's why ABC 15's Gianna Forbes helping us dig into what it all truly means. She joins us live in studio. Gianna.
Yeah, Connor, it can be a bit unclear, and you might even start second guessing if you think you're in clear and imminent danger to use force or deadly force within this law. But here in South Carolina, there is no duty to retreat.
A man's home is his castle. It's a term that applies to you and me within the castle doctrine, as stated in South Carolina law, letting you protect yourself against intruders in your home, business, or car. But as of 2006, there's also a Stand Your Ground law. It's known as the Protection of Persons and Property Act. It breaks down when you and I have the right to use force or deadly force on another when we feel we're in danger anywhere.
At some point, if they can use force or imminent deadly force to stop someone if they feel like they're in danger with bodily harm or death. Yeah, they can use whatever force is necessary to stop that person, as long as they met those other criteria.
And according to the law, the General Assembly believes no person should surrender his own safety. Unlike other states, South Carolina's law doesn't have a duty to retreat from the situation or incident.
The South Carolina Stand Your Ground law says you do not have to retreat.
But at what point might you become the aggressor in a situation where you don't retreat?
They can become the aggressor to stop the incident. So they can use force all the way up to deadly force, as long as they meet the criteria of the Stand Your Ground law.
There are certain parameters for Stand Your Ground, according to the law, where it may not apply if you're engaged in unlawful activity or if it involves any sort of child or grandchild being removed from a home due to custody issues.
The most important thing about the Stand Your Ground law is to make sure that you as a person are doing everything correctly, lawfully, and legally, and that you see for sure that a person is looking at imminent death or serious bodily harm.
Khan says most people who come into Cormac have questions on when you should shoot and when you shouldn't in certain situations. But if you're still unsure about this, make sure to take a certified weapons class. Live in studio, Gianna Forbes, ABC 15 News.
All right, Gianna, thank you. The Castle Doctrine in South Carolina was enacted in 2006.